In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to watch a Trello board for updates. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, and keeping track of updates is crucial to staying in the loop whether you're working alone or with a team. Let's dive right in. The first thing I want to show you is how to watch an entire board. Open your favorite web browser and navigate to Trello. Now, locate the specific board that you want to follow closely. Once you're on the board, head to the top right corner where you'll find three dots, often referred to as the board menu. Click on these three dots and, if necessary, select More from the drop-down menu that appears. You should now see an option that says Watch. Go ahead and click on that. By doing this, you'll start receiving notifications for any changes made anywhere on that board. It's a great way to keep track of everything happening without needing to check constantly. Next, let's talk about how to watch a specific list. Perhaps your focus is more narrowed down to a certain phase of your project, like the Done or Review list. In this case, find that specific list on your board. Once you've located it, you'll see three dots right next to the list's title. Click on those dots and from the drop-down menu, choose Watch. Now you'll receive updates whenever cards are added, moved, or updated within that particular column. This targeted approach is super helpful if you're only concerned with specific tasks or stages of the project. Now, for the last part of our tutorial, watching an individual card. This feature can be exceptionally useful if there's a specific task that you want to monitor closely. Start by opening your board and finding the card that you want to follow. Click on that card to open its detailed view. On the right-hand side of this card, you'll see an Actions section. Look for a button that says Watch and click on it. Once you activate this feature, you'll notice a check mark or an eye icon appear, signifying that you are now watching that card. From this moment on, you'll be notified about new comments, any shifts in due dates, or updates to checklists on that particular task. And that's it. Watching boards, lists, and cards in Trello is a simple yet effective way to stay informed about your projects and tasks. Remember, whether you're managing a personal project or collaborating with a team, keeping tabs on updates is key to ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Before we wrap up, I want to encourage you to give these features a try. They can significantly enhance your Trello experience by making it easier to stay organized and engaged with your work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most out of Trello and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!